This is Sinting, a 2-year-old female Belgian. After participating in a dog show, Sinting started displaying symptoms such as constant repetitive coughing, retching, high fever, and watery nasal discharge. Concerned, her owner took her to the vet and the vet ordered some tests to be done. A chest x-ray was taken, and her lungs appeared to be inflamed and have a little bit of fluid in them. A CBC and urinalysis were also done as well. Sinting was diagnosed with kennel cough caused by Bordetella bronchiectatica, a bacteria that is gram-negative and causes inflammation of the trachea and lungs. The bacteria can be spread through contact with infected dogs or in close-knit areas where there is minuscule air ventilation. The vet prescribed doxycycline as an antibiotic for Sinting to take for an infection. Another antibiotic could have been Clavamox, trimethoprim sulfa, or Baytril. After a few weeks of treatment, Sinting was back to herself again.